Hi, I'm Jane from TicTac Technology. We focus on designing and manufacturing roadshow vehicles and mobile stages. This is our LED stage box, customized to fit on your old truck chassis. If you already have your old truck chassis and you want to modify it into a roadshow truck, this is the solution for you. This unit is for our clients in United States. Now let's see how it works. This is how it looks when open. Let's check the details of this project. It comes with outdoor P4 LED screen. Screen size 6.72 meter by 2.4 meter. This LED screen is with 7,000 nits high brightness, high refresh drive IC, and meanwhile power supply. The high quality screen is definitely the key part of this roadshow truck. And it's come with hydraulic folding stage. The stage size 8.7 meter by 3 meter. And here, this space is used for store your event equipment, but you can also customize it into an exhibition area or rest area. And in the front is the control room. Here is the electric cabinet. And the client would put control equipment here, and the room is also air conditioned. For this project, we also customize inflatable expand room on the left side, and this would be the area for guest, waiting area and relax area. Not only the product, our team also provide professional branding design and wrap-up service. If you want to customize such box for your own truck chassis, please feel free to talk to us today.